Hi, my dear students. Hi, my dear students. Welcome to online classes here. Hope you all are understanding the subject and the sessions. Now we are going to be learn about the new topic, that is HTML tables. HTML tables means here. Suppose let us see here. HTML tables means here in the web page I wanted to create a timetable. I wanted to show in the Usmania University they are going to give a timetable, right? How this timetable is going to be created? With the help of HTML tables. With the help of HTML tables. Let us see here. This is the Usmania University, right? University, this is the Usmania University website. In the Usmania University website, suppose I wanted to go to the academic. In the academic, we have here syllabus or a timetable. Okay. Let us see here. In the syllabus or any admission, suppose anything else, I wanted to know about the admissions or the examination. I wanted to know. Press note, examination note. Let us see any web page I wanted to in the form of a table. This is a note. This is a heading of the table. How many rows we have here? Two rows. First row and the second row. Heading of the row is nothing but here date, press note. Date and the press note. Suppose let us see here BCom anything revaluation P copy anything as backlogs will be there here. How it going to be happen here? Suppose anything is going to be in the form of your anything which we are going to be make it as in the form of a tables. Is it clear? We have know how to write a table headings, how to change the color, we have know how to link the pages, we have know how to create a image. This is a image logo, and now we are going to be learn how to create a tables. How to create a tables. In these tables, how many rows we have here? Two rows. Press two row. First row, second row. First row is very big size. Second row is very small size. In the row, what is the heading here? Press note and the date. What is the data? These all things are known as here data. And they come to the point, that is the use of here. Come to the point, that is the use of here tables. We are going to be learn here. We are going to be learn here. You are going to be learn here HTML tables. HTML tables. Tables means here in the HTML tables allows the developers to arrange the data into rows and columns. Arrange the data into rows and columns. See means here a columns is not there, not seeing, but it is a columns. HTML is a arrangement of data into a rows and columns. ఒక డేటాని రోస్ లో కాలమ్స్ లాగా రాస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం టేబుల్స్ అంటాం. We are going, it is very easy to access the data when we are going to be write a table. In the tables we have what tag we are going to be used in these tables. Let us see here. In the HTML tables here, if you wanted to create a HTML tables, you are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here table tag. That tag is known as here table tag. The table tag is used to create the table in a web page. Table tag is used to create a table in a web page. In the table tag, you are going to be used three tags, that is known as here table row, table head, table data. You are going to be used a three tags. It is known as here table row is defined with tr, and each table heading is defined as a th, and each cell in a data ఆ టేబుల్లో data display అవ్వడానికి we are going to be used a tag is known as here td. tr, th and td. tr, th and td. Here in this tr, what is mean by tr, what is mean by th, what is mean by td. td means here it is to write the data in a table. th means here It is used to write a heading in a table. What is mean by rows means here how many rows we are going to be create. It is used to create the rows. tr ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఎన్ని టేబుల్లో మనం ఎన్ని రోస్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నామో it going to be create the rows. And th is used to create the table heading. th is used to create the table heading. And td is used to create the table data. Table data ni create చేస్తుంది. And next here by default the text is th elements are bold and center. th ఎప్పుడు హెడ్డింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి బోల్ట్లో ఉంటాయి. బై డిఫాల్ట్ ద టీడీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ రెగ్యులర్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే టేబుల్లో లెఫ్ట్లో ఉంటాయి. లెట్ us see here. I am going to be write a I am going to be open a notepad. Let us check it out here. To create a table, we are going to be used a table tag. Okay. టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నామా. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్గా నాకు ఎన్ని రోస్ కావాలి. సపోజ్ నాకు 2 రోస్ కావాలనుకోండి. నాకు 2 రోస్ కావాలి. ఓకే 2 రోస్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు ఎన్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి రోస్. స్టార్టింగ్ టీఆర్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ టీఆర్. ఓకే స్టార్టింగ్ టీఆర్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ టీఆర్ ఇలా రాయాలి. ఓకే అంటే 2 రోస్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యాయన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ 2 రోస్ క్రియేట్ అయిపోయాయి. ఈ 2 రోస్ క్రియేట్ అయినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి. ఇందులో మనం ఒకటేమో హెడ్డింగ్ ఒకటేమో డాటా. హెడ్డింగ్ అంటే ఎక్కడ రాస్తాము టీడీ. హెడ్ రోలో నాకు హెడ్డింగ్ ఒకటి కావాలి. ఎన్ని కావాలి 2 కావాలి అంటే 2 యూజ్ చేయాలి. స్టార్టింగ్ టీడీ ఎండింగ్ టీడీ. స్టార్టింగ్ టీడీ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ టీడీ. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి టీ డాటా టీడీ స్లాష్ టీడీ. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ టీడీ స్లాష్. okay I have written anything here. No, I am returning here name rule number. I am returning here ram rule number 1. అంటే ఎన్ని రోస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం మనం ఇక్కడ టేబుల్లో 2 రోస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ రో అండ్ సెకండ్ రో. To create a table we are going to be used a border. We are going to be used an attribute. That attribute is known as here br. Border is equal to pixel size. 2 pixel size border రావాలి. That means here I am going to be show you here. This is a table, right? In this table I wanted to create a, see here, HTML table with a border. There are 2 ways to specify the border for an HTML table. By border attribute of a table in HTML, by border property in a CSS. This is we are going to be learn later here. And let us see here. Here we are going to be write here. Here we are going to be write here table border is equal to 1. That means thickness of the border. Thickness of the border. Table border is equal to 1. That is known as here thickness of the border we are going to be learn. And next see here, this is a HTML program. The HTML program name is here table 1. In the HTML program I created a table with a border is equal to 2. How many rows I created here? 2 rows. Means here starting tr ending tr. Starting tr ending tr. ఓకే హెడ్డింగ్ ఎప్పుడు 1 ఒకటే హెడ్డింగ్ ఉంటుంది. డేటా ఎన్నైనా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. టీహెచ్ స్టార్టింగ్ టీహెచ్ ఎండింగ్ టీహెచ్ మధ్యలో నేమ్ ఏంటి. నేమ్ ఇస్ అ హెడ్డింగ్. స్టార్టింగ్ టీహెచ్ ఎండింగ్ టీహెచ్ మధ్యలో name is here, rule number. That means headings are, how many headings we have here? Two headings. Starting tr, ending tr. Starting td, ending td. And the rule number, name is here, ఇక్కడ name ఉంది కాబట్టి name Ravi and 1. Okay. And next here I am using, see here I am using here heading. In the heading I am writing here student information. I am saving the file and let us see the output here. Go to the BCom final. In the BCom final, you have a table, right? Click to the table. Oh, sorry. Click to the table. You are going to get the output. Okay. Click onto the table here. You are going to get a table, right? Let us look it out here. See a student information, name, row, Ravi and 1. Is it clear all of you? How to create a table means here with the help of table tag. In the table tag we are going to be used a attribute. That attribute is known as here border. That attribute is known as here border. Suppose నేను border mention చేయలేదనుకోండి. Border I have not mentioned here. File, save. See the output here. There is no border. Is it clear? That is the use of here border attribute. That is the use of here border. Again see here, save. Is it clear? Suppose I am creating here another row. I am creating here another row. tr space slash tr. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి. నేను హెడ్డింగ్ యూజ్ చేయలేదు, డాటా యూజ్ చేయలేదు. ఒక రో ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ అయింది కానీ అది మనకి కనిపించదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ టీఆర్. ఓకే. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం అనుకోండి టీఆర్. టీఆర్ స్లాష్ టీఆర్. Alt F, save. Go to the button here. That means here row is created but it not going to be show to me. Okay. And next here in this tr again I am writing here file, save. See one row is going to be added, ram and 2. Is it clear? That is the use of here tables. That is the use of here tables. In the next session again I am going to be tell you the tables only. Make a note it here all of you. The table tag is used to create the tables in a web page. Table tag is used to create the tables in a web page. Is it clear, all of you? Thank you, one and all.